This is Math Lesson Part 1 for May 6th, 2020. You will need your math book, pencil, eraser. Please turn to page 319. Today we're going to talk about polygons. Poly is from a Greek word meaning many. A polygon is a flat, closed figure made up of line segments that do not cross each other. Yesterday we learned that a line segment has two endpoints. It is not a ray with an arrow that goes on for infinity. This is a line segment. It has two endpoints. This is a line segment. These line segments touch each other and make angles, but they do not cross over each other. So here we have a line segment, but look at this line segment here. It crosses over another line segment, and a polygon has segments that do not cross each other. So is this a polygon? Is this a polygon? A polygon has more than two sides. There is no such thing as a closed two-sided figure anyway. Here we have line segments. It's closed. There's no hole in the edges of it. And do any of the lines cross each other? So is it a polygon? Is it a flat, closed figure made up of line segments that do not cross each other? If you think this is a polygon, circle it. I already told you that's not a polygon because the lines cross each other. If you think this is a polygon, circle it. Is this a flat, closed figure made up of line segments that do not cross each other? Circle it if you think it's a polygon. Now, some people wonder about this. This is not a line segment. It's curved. Line segments are straight with two endpoints. This is not a line segment. So, is it a polygon? Is this a flat, closed figure made up of line segments that do not cross each other? Decide whether you should circle it. Is this a flat, closed figure made up of line segments that do not cross each other? Is this a closed figure? Is this a closed figure? Now, a figure can be concave or convex. In a concave polygon, you could draw a line segment with both endpoints inside of the polygon, however, with part of the line segment outside of the polygon. Now here's an easier way that I teach children to remember concave. You know how a cave is something you could crawl into? Does this figure have a cave you could crawl into? Yes. Convex, you cannot draw a line segment with both endpoints inside the figure and part of the line outside of the figure. Also, there's no cave you can crawl into here. This has a cave. Does this have a cave you could crawl into? Is it concave or is it convex? Does this have a cave you could crawl into? Is it concave or convex? Does this have a cave you could crawl into? Is it concave or convex? Does this have a cave you could crawl into? Is it concave or convex? That is part 1.